Come on then. Levi.
Really?
Come stand by it.
Are you going? We need to get this out.
What's that one?
That one look good.
Yeah, MG.
You okay?
Oh, that looks nice.
Levi,
Yeah.
look at his foot. 14 there.
Look, eat it. Exciting sizes.
Levi. Yeah, look. Come here. Look.
Look at his face today.
Nice, isn't he? Oh. Levi. Oh.
What, the real clock?
Yeah.
Right there.
He's hit that hard, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Cool.
Show pictures of it on his phone.
Levi, look.
So that's by England.
England, yeah.
And Wales. Great Britain.
Look. Island man.
You want to sit in it?
Yeah. Oh.
Come on then.
Wow.
Don't start it up, alright?
Oh. Wow. Bless him. Levi, look. Is that smart? Sit properly. Cool. Bless him. Cool. Wow. Lovely colour that.
Stand by that one, mate.
Why does it look like she's been
What's this
black?
one?
That one. BMW.
What's that one?
BMW.
What's this one?
This one.
Do you know what that one is?
What's that one? What is it? Ford.
What's this car? Car.
Levi, look at that. Why it's mine now. Yeah. Look.
That's my friend there.
What's your friend there?
Oh,
Say hi.
you're right, mate.
Look at this one.
Go and stand by that, mate. Show people how big it is.
Bye-bye.
Go on. Anywhere. It's huge. Look. And look where the steering wheel is on this one, mate.
How big it is.
Yeah, look. Come and look where you put the petrol. Look. Look at the petrol tank.
That is, right?
Yeah.
We do have boxes.
So when Daddy fills his car up,
Yeah.
that's where it goes.
Right into there.
Yeah.
And where's that hole on the car like that?
Huh.
Where you fasten the boot on it?
Old, innit?
Look really old. Has an old car to be that deep. Good one then.
Old Nissan. That's nice, that.
Inside that.
Levi, stand next to it. Cheers.
What car's that one then? Ford.
I think that's where they put petrol.
Yeah.
Diesel.
Go and have a
They
look.
had a thing, they had to lock it with keys, didn't they?
What's that one then, matey?
Oh, no clue. No clue about this one.
Look at that, matey.
Oh, yeah,
Don't touch, but have a look in there. Lovely
Oh,
that,
they
innit?
didn't got them to like stop people jumping in the back.
Yeah, mate, stand by that.
What? Oh, look at the doggy.
Sorry. Levi, look. What one's that then?
Well, flagging.
Well done. Hello. Hello. Look at that, mate. Well smart, isn't it?
You're right, Jim, yeah?
Well smart.
Ready for the 29th?
Do you like that one, matey? Come on then.
What we're going to do, we're going to get a police escort in so that everybody gets in, not only together, but safely. So they're going to block the road off.
Levi. Oh,
What's this?
Ford.
Ford. Hoverboard.
Levi. Bend down by that one.
Terrible. The bigger the dog, the more likely she's ever go.
This one, I went to my wife last week for years, so I go to her mate's house with a tea. She was like a 16-year-old cat.
That Aston Martin's tidy, like.
The dog's sleeping,
Peeled off.
It's BM, isn't it?
Yeah,
We're right, BM.
yeah. Levi, go and stand by that one. Wow. Let's have a look at that.
Is that like pretend camera?
No,
What is it?
part of the engine, mate. Look at the exhausts.
That rather you could be in the old days.
No.
What's in this picture?
It's always the fucking little dogs, isn't it?
What's this green one, Levi?
Ford.
Do you know what this one is?
Levi, have a look at that one, mate. Look. Let's have a look.
Is that beer on it? Beer.
Wow.
Can I fall there? That's a nice.
But, yeah, mate, you see cars like that every day, though, mate.
Yeah, but this is fun to Levi. Turn around. What's this one? Look at this blue one. Leave it.
Don't likes them.
And it's just got painting on it.
Clean as a whistle, isn't it?
Can we put it on now? Look at the wheels on that.
Got a bones pick with you.
What?
So when you clean my car wheels,
Yeah.
why don't they come up looking like that?
I don't know. Do you buy them?
Look at that.
So you just got up and decided and just went for it like
What, mate? Should have brought a load of foxtails, you'd sold loads here. Wouldn't you? Levi! Levi! Go and stand by you. Cool.
Wow, look at your face paint. That's cool, isn't it?
Go and have a look. Have a look, mate, if you want.
Okay.
Wow.
You're going to have time, you're going to
You found me. To show you the inside. Show you the engine.
Oh, look at that car then.
Got to stand by
Where's
you.
the lights on that one?
It's a racing car, mate.
What's that in
That's a mini.
a mini?
Yeah, look.
Look inside of that.
Look.
No, too high. I can barely touch them pedals. If I start in that, barely.
You could barely touch the pedals if you sat in that, no?
Yeah. Why have they got the door glued?
Grass for grass tracking and that, innit? Look at the engine in the back, mate.
Back of car space.
That's fun, isn't it? Back mini. Oh, Daddy, look at that tall doggy.
Shop's going to take him back home and then she'll take me.
Wow. Nice shot. Gangster. Oh, what, mate?
Daddy got number 8. That's probably really good. That's my dragon.
Minus mine, one. Oh, look, Levi.
Yeah.
It's nearly got your name.
Where's the A? Where's the A?
Nearly spells Levi. It's your car, that one, isn't it? Levi, Nanny Joe used to have one of them. Just like that. Yeah.
What? Was that her racing car?
Not a racing car, but she had one. Look at this one, mate.
Oh, sorry. Which one's better, that one or that one? This one.
Yeah, definitely.
Whoa. That's a long motorbike, isn't it?
Stand by her. Bit closer. Bend down.
I haven't said. Look at that, it's got double mirror inside.
Look at this. Look at that seat on that seat, mate.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright. Oh, you can tap the on it and pull it. Dad, look at that one then. What's that?
show me.
Look at the back of this thing. Oh, the one post.
Yeah, Granny had that pillow.
Did she? Was that pillow Granny? Was that pillow Granny?
No, but she had the same one, matey. Comfy ride out with the speakers and everything.
That's a nice bike.
Got that Then I can stop walking on the car. Stop walking on the car.
Yeah. Come on, matey.
That's it, mate, look.
Levi, stand next to the wheel.
Yeah, they can't be up.
Granny used to love her Rovers. Rover 100. Levi, look at this.
Sorry.
Cool that, isn't it?
Toy car in the window.
Oh, that's a robot.
Look. Yeah, look. Let's have a look.
Oh, there's a rainbow on the floor there.
Rabbit pickup.
Leaflet there, guys, for the restaurant. It's just on St. Winifred's Bar down there. You want to get You're welcome, babe.
Cheers. Let's have a look.
Try no veggie curry yet? No veggie curry yet. Try it. Gonna try it what? Too early. Okay, my darling. See you there. God bless.
Yeah, man. Looks nice, doesn't it, dude? Keep that.
that.
A lot.
Yeah, look, go stand by it, mate.
Is that an Alsatian?
Yeah, mate. You love your Alsatians, don't you?
2 hours.
Levi, look at that. Yeah, look. Wow. Size of that. And big engine on that.
I'll give you taxis for tonight. Oh, you've got a ball here? No, no. I know. Spoons there.
I got a back of there. Mummy, you're the fun, Daddy.
That bumped into me, look.
Levi, which is your favourite car that you've seen today?
My favourite car is that orange, well, that yellow one.
Yellow?
Yeah. No, that big racing car, the yellow one.
Oh, right up the top.
Yeah.
You like that one, do you?
Yeah.